What's up everybody, Isaac again with Cultivate Supply, cultivatesupply.com. In the previous video we made, we put together a Netafim 3/4 RCal assembly. So this takes it from the PVC straight to the Netafim tubing with an RCal in line. Now in this next video, we're gonna be going over the basics of popping the tubing and inserting the assemblies to get to your plants. The first tool that you're gonna need is called a Netafim punch tool. So what you do is you basically take this little cap off and you can go ahead and just punch it directly into your line. When you poke it in, make sure that basically poke it in until you hear it punch all the way through. Sometimes when these get old, they dull down and they won't punch through the membrane on the inside of the tubing. If that's the case, you can always check it with a small pin or something, just poke through and make sure that it got all the way through. Once you poke your hole in your line, you're gonna take an assembly. So the one that we're using today, this is a Netafim 3.2. This is usually recommended for things like cocoa. It would be a little bit too much for rock wool and probably a little bit low for soil. Some assemblies will come with a stake, some will come with no stake. Generally, the lower gallon per hour flow ones for rock wool are gonna come with a stake. So what you do is you go ahead and you take this and you just pop that right in the line. Next, you're gonna take a stake and you're gonna pop that into this elbow over here. And then this component here will run to your plant. If you find that you popped a hole in the line that maybe you don't love, maybe you wanted to remove a dripper, you can always use these. So these are called Goof plugs. And what they do is they allow you to basically plug that hole up without having any issues. So you go ahead and you take that and you just do the same kind of thing where you pop it in. Alrighty, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give us a like, subscribe, check out the links below for some of these products. If you have any irrigation questions, definitely don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to help you. Thank you guys.